Hi everyone, let's see how you can disable the AI mode in Google Chrome. To get started, simply search for Chrome flags and hit enter. Now go to the video description. You will get these 4 flag names. Simply copy them in order. Paste it in the search box here and disable this flag. Now do it for rest of the 3 flag names. Once done, simply click on relaunch. That's it, the job is done. You won't get to see the AI mode again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.